This is a Calvin Klein advert for fragrance, and it probably cost them thousands of dollars to make. I'm going to attempt recreating this design using $0. Yes, I'm going to use free 3D software and recreate this in 3D, and let's see if it's as good as the original, and whether or not they should save thousands of dollars and just get a 3D artist to render this.
What the hell?
Most of this video is going to be a time-lapse because I don't want to bore you with all the details. Yeah, so let's have a look and see by the end if I did it justice. Let's get right into it.
Let's go. Turn up. Let's go. Let's go.
I have to pause here for a second, and I have to say hats off to the photographer. This is not an easy scene to shoot. Anytime there's a bunch of reflective materials when you're doing photography, it's an absolute nightmare. Because think about it, everything reflects in the scene. So the camera, you, the lights. So I have to say, if this was done in real life, which I think it was, good job. And also trying to get a nice shot with any imperfections or dust particles ruining the shot. They really did a great job, so I gotta take my hats off for that. What I will say is it took me quite some time getting the lighting right and with the reflections and trying to match everything, and maybe the perspective could have been a little bit better, but I think it's fine as is for now. Just trying to get the overall concept across. But yeah, it's quite a challenge with the lighting because everything is reflective. You know, the surface, the ripples of the water, the glass of the bottle, and also getting that very uniform gray gradient in the background wasn't easy. But I had a lot of fun, and yeah, I think it's time to see the final result. Well, there you have it. That's the end of the video. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought of this. Well, if I had to decide, I'm not sure if I would have chosen their or mine. But at the end of the day, I learned something, and I think it looks pretty good. Maybe if I spent some more time on it with the materials, high quality materials, and maybe just playing with the lighting a little bit more, and spending more than 1 hour on it, I could have gotten a result that I would say Calvin Klein would possibly approve of. I don't know. You think it can be done with no budget? Should they rather stick with a photographer? Or did it open your mind to the possibilities of just using 3D art or 3D rendering to do product photography? I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys did as well. Please hit subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit the bell icon and the like. Share it with friends and family. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time.